Have you ever mixed lavender with vinegar? You will be surprised when you discover how practical and useful it is. In this short video, I will show you how simple it is to prepare this mixture and why you should try it home right away. To begin, crush 1 tablespoon of lavender flowers. If you like, you can also add a bay leaf. This way the lavender releases its natural properties more quickly and blends more easily with liquids. You may not know this, but lavender has been used since ancient times for more than 2,500 years. In ancient Egypt, it played an important role in the mummification process, was used as a fragrance, and is also known for its resilience since it grows well even in dry regions. Today it is often overlooked even though it has incredible benefits. As soon as I open the lid, a strong and fantastic fragrance filled the air, which is much weaker without crushing. Pour the crushed lavender into 400 milliliters of hot water and stir. Leave it to sit for about 2 hours so the water can draw out all the valuable compounds. After that, strain it through gauze. Friends, please tell me in the comments where you are watching from. Thank you. Now add 100 milliliters of vinegar and stir. Pour it into a spray bottle. Why are we doing this? Because lavender, bay leaf, and vinegar together make a powerful natural repellent. This combination effectively drives away mosquitoes, stink bugs, cockroaches, bedbugs, ants, mice, and many other pests thanks to the scents they cannot stand. Vinegar acts as a strong disinfectant and protective agent, while lavender boosts the effect with its essential oils and aroma. On top of that, lavender helps with relaxation, reducing stress, and improving sleep. You can use this mixture to spray on your skin, your yard, around your doorway, or on various surfaces. Another advantage is that it works as a natural cleaning solution, leaving a protective layer that keeps insects away. I use it to clean most surfaces in my home, and I never see insects because the space constantly smells of lavender and bay leaf. If you do not like vinegar, you can replace it with lemon juice, which has a similar effect. Dear friends, do not forget to subscribe to our channel so you can always stay updated with new useful tips. Subscribing is completely free. Thank you for watching, and I am sending you warm greetings.